In this lesson, we will discuss chapter number 3, integration, exercise 3.2, question 2, part 6. And we have to integrate integral of sine of a plus bx dx. It is very simple question, right? We know that sine theta, right, equal to minus cost of theta, and this theta is the variable. If we have, suppose here x, we will write down sine of x is x is equal to minus cos of x. If we have y, we can write down minus cos of y. So this theta means this is just the variable. But in this question, we have one more extra thing, a plus b as well, with this variable or with this theta x. This is the constant. So how we will integrate it? Minus cos, same thing, right? Instead of this, we have to multiply here a plus b because this is the constant, right? And we have to divide as well. Keep in mind, if we have some constant as well with the variable, we have to divide with the same constant, and this is the answer. If we do not have a plus b here, sine of x, so we will write down how we will integrate minus cos of x. But if we have a constant, so write down the constant, same whatever you have in the numerator, and then you have to divide with the constant, and this is the answer, right? And thanks for watching.